bad debts. If there is no bad debts means how to calculate the provision for bad debts? If you want to calculate all those, first we need to deduct 5,000 the bad debts from the debtors 50,000. The remaining is 45,000, and on 45,000 we need to calculate the 5%. So if you are calculating the 5%, we will get as 2,050 rupees. So this is the total we need to deduct, 45,000. If there is any bad debts, in this way we need to calculate, and it appears the entry we need to entry is provision for bad debts account debitor to debtors account. In this way we need to calculate provision for bad debts. Next we can see here provision for discount on debitors. What is mean by this? Just similar to provision for bad debts, provision for discount on debitors. It may be loss or profit. It may be loss or profit to the business. Not profit, just like expenses. Expenses to the business based on the discount. Here provision is created on discount which should be given to the customers, which should be given to the customers, means or debtors. It appears in profit and loss account, at debit side, it appears in balance sheet, at asset side, entry we can see, entry is same, provision for discount on debtors account debitor to debtors account. Okay, so in this way we need to write the entry. Same calculation also is same for provision for bad debts, same for this also. Next, last adjustment we can see here. Provision for discount on creditors here. Provision is created on discounts from sellers, means creditors. It is income for business. For us it is income only, not if they give, if we will receive any discount. Okay, it appears in profit and loss at credit side. It also appears in balance sheet at liability side. We need to add to creditors. In balance sheet we need to deduct. Here entry is opposite to the debtors, means creditors account debtor to provision on discount on creditors account. So these all are the adjustments which we will face in a business or in any transactions. 12 adjustments we have here, mean based on particular asset or based on particular any transactions we need to create. For example, if you want to receive the half of the amount, that is treated as prepaid or outstanding. Okay, if you are paying, what it is treated as income in income received in advance or accrued. We should be aware of this, means we should understand clearly all about these 12 adjustments. After that only we can clearly understand the final accounts also. In final accounts, the total 3 pro formas: trading, profit and loss, and also balance sheet. In that 3 we will face so many adjustments in a different ways. So if you want to understand all those adjustments, first we need to understand all those 12 adjustments. Provision for discount on creditors, provision for discount on debtors, next provision for bad debts, next only bad debts, how to calculate if we will face the bad debts, accrued incomes, okay, income received in advance, prepaid expenses, outstanding expenses, interest on drawings, interest on capital, okay, depreciation, closing stock, all should be aware. Okay, we need to understand very clearly. After that only we can able to do our final accounts. So these all are the adjustments which we have completed, and next we can see the final accounts, how we will face the problems and what are the adjustments and how to write the entries for all those. Okay.